If you only learn one thing in BarGuard, make it this one. Recipe mapping is the single most important setup in the whole system. It is the bridge between your sales and your inventory. Without it, BarGuard can see what you sold, but it has no idea what to take out of your stock. So nothing adds up and your variance report is useless. Let me show you how it works. A recipe is just a list of ingredients and how much of each one you use when a drink is sold. Take a margarita. 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of lime juice. That is the recipe. Now, every single time a margarita rings in on your POS, BarGuard looks up that recipe and automatically pulls 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of lime out of your expected count. You do the setup once. The system does the math forever. Setting one up is simple. Go to sales matching in the sidebar. Find the menu item you want to map. If the drink is not showing up, it has not been pulled from your POS yet, so check your connection or add it by hand. Click Add Ingredient. Search for the inventory item, say tequila, and type in how many ounces you pour per drink. Repeat that for every ingredient in the glass, then hit save. That is it. Now units trip people up, so pay attention here. For spirits, you enter the pour in ounces. A standard pour is 1.5 ounces. A double is 3. For beer bottles and cans, switch the unit from ounces over to each, then just enter 1, because beer is tracked per container, not per pour. For kegs, enter the pour size in ounces, so a 16-ounce draft is just 16. And for food by weight, enter the portion in ounces and BarGuard converts it against the pound. Same idea everywhere. Tell it how much leaves the bottle, and it handles the rest. Here's the part that bites people. If a menu item has no recipe, BarGuard skips it. That drink can sell all night long, and nothing comes out of your inventory. So your variance report shows product missing that the system never even tracked. Always map your high volume items first. Your wells, your house pours, your top sellers. Those are the ones moving real money. One shortcut. Hit the AI recipe suggestions button and BarGuard will draft recipes for you based on the drink name. It is not perfect, but it gets you most of the way there fast. You just review it and fix the pour amounts. And one rule, do not add garnishes like a salt rim or a lime wedge, unless you actually count those in inventory. Only map what you really track. Get your recipes right, and everything else in BarGuard finally starts telling the truth.